Hey there, Daydreamer, and welcome to the holiday and year-end wrap-up episode for the Ragtag Daydreams channel. I've officially been on YouTube for a year, and I've officially been doing Gunpla content for 7 months. Let's review some fond memories and talk about what's to come.
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
So the first few videos that I did on Gunpla were really just speed builds. I didn't talk in any of them, I don't think. It was just 2 of them, and they're still getting views to this day, which is really cool. And I'm blown away. If you don't know, I originally started doing YouTube videos to kind of chronicle the process that I was going through to get a little healthier and to prepare to go to Japan. And I wanted to climb Mount Fuji. I wanted to summit Mount Fuji while I was there, and that didn't happen. I didn't summit it, but I did climb Mount Fuji when I was there. It had nothing to do with my lack of preparedness physically. It had more to do with my lack of preparedness in the bus schedules that they have there. I totally screwed that up, and I ran out of time and had to come down the mountain before I was able to summit it. As far as I know, I had about 2.5 to 3 hours left to go up the mountain. So basically, as I was catching my bus at the bottom of the mountain at 5 p.m., which is the last bus that leaves Fuji, that's about the time that I would have been summiting. So, lots of regret there, but also a lot of pride in the fact that I did accomplish most of that goal by just getting to Japan and not only being on the mountain and having that experience as well. It's always good to push yourself sometimes. For some of us, it's physically, and for others, it's mentally. And that's even with Gunpla, which is what this channel is now about. Push yourselves, guys. Learn new things. It really makes you a better person, and it gives you a lot more self-confidence to know that you can still learn and do things you didn't know that you could do. If you want to know more about that trip, I do have a playlist of videos just kind of recapping all of that. And I also have daily mini vlogs that I would post to Facebook, because it was really mainly just Facebook and YouTube at the time that I was dealing with. Now I've got a lot more followers on Instagram and that kind of thing, so that's kind of slowly ramping up now. I really need to make more content for those things, but I'm really lazy about it too. So another reason why I'm making this video today is that this guy, you can tell there's been some more work done. He is almost done. He's almost done. I don't have him complete yet, and I really want to at least have a lot of the painting complete. You can tell that I have the yellow and stuff like that on there. That's my current project that I'm showing you now. I'm not dragging my feet, guys. I promise I am trying to get this done. I have a lot of really exciting things to talk about for 2020. I'm not trying to drag that out. It's just, it's Christmas time, or Yule, or Hanukkah, or whatever it is that you're into. And, it's family time, and it's hustle and it's bustle, and I've run out of time. I have just run out of time. Next is, of course, the skirmish game. The skirmish game video was the first video that I had that people started sharing independent of me, and it just blew up compared to anything that I had before. Again, I really appreciate everybody who did share that video or watched it. Had some people say some unkind things, had some people say some really kind things, and I'm also working to do more videos about the skirmish game. There's been a lot of scheduling conflicts because it actually takes a group of people to get together, and then you have to have a venue or someone's house or some place to do it. Most of us have a place to do it, but maybe there's no one available, or you have everybody that is available, but you don't have no place to do it, or you don't have enough time, or whatever. And so things haven't worked out. It's coming though. I've had a little bit of trouble on figuring out where to kind of begin telling the story of how to start playing the game. Does it start whenever you pick a few models and you go? Does it start when you build the models? I don't know. But now I think I do. I was lucky enough to have a friend of mine who kind of hoards kits. He's got a lot. I decided on getting the war sets. I just couldn't find them anywhere. He had them, so he was kind enough to sell them to me since he had such a large backlog, only under the promise that I was to paint them and give them the attention and love they deserve. And I will be. So it's the hitting my rig up here. It's the ground set here with the Gundam and the Zaku set here. So those are going to be the ones I build and customize for you guys to begin that skirmish series. And we're going to use these to play the game and kind of go through more step by step, all the way from building them, customizing them, make them look like a unit, and making them your own, and then moving forward. So look forward to that. Another thing coming in 2020 is, you remember this, the review, basically? My Whip Wednesday review of this kit. It was Whip Wednesday because it took me a really long time to work on this kit. It was a high grade, but I mean the Banshee was just tedious. I hope it was just the size of the kit, that it was a 1/144 scale. So I had some good feedback on that, and some people said they wanted to see more unicorn kits, especially the Banshee. And I did not I did not shoot any footage of actually building the HG Banshee Destroy mode. So I got this. Yeah, it's the Master Grade Verka. I might be biting off more than I want to chew, because I really 100% have not built a Verka kit yet. I know I am behind the curve, okay? No need to remind me. Moving on, I still have this bane of my existence right here, the RG Crossbones, which has scared me very much. But I got through the RX-78 Grandpa Gundam, so I can get through that too. Also coming in 2020, I have this guy. Just like with the Unicorn and the Banshee kit specifically that somebody asked me to do more on, I went ahead and got the Verka there. Somebody had asked for some more 00 kits, and I know this is a 00 diver, so it's technically not a 00 kit, but you know what? It pretty much is, so just bear with me, okay? Because I'm going to use this kit, and this kit to do something very special. And of course, this is the Gundam Base Limited Edition Clear Red Trans Am kit, and then this is the blue clear version of the 00 diver, like the regular colors, but just clear. And then of course the regular opaque, I guess, full-on opaque, not translucent. Is that what it is? I'm losing my words. Anyway, you can't see through this one. I did get the 2 clear kits at Gundam Base Tokyo, so this is going to be a special build. I also picked up this guy. Yep, this is Mechagodzilla. Nope, this is not a Gundam. But I'm going to build something kind of neat, and he's going to be part of this display that I'm really wanting to do. If you have any thoughts about what that display or diorama, I'll just go ahead and say it. It's going to be part of a diorama. If you have any thoughts about what that might be, leave it in the comments below, because I'd like to see who can guess what it is I'm going to do with that. Last but not least at all, I have to finish this very big boy.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick, boy. That's a thick-ass boy. Damn.
Not to mention that I also had a special message from the Not-So-Average Builder, and I happened to record the receiving of a special gift. We'll get to that in 2020, and that should be basically first thing, along with fixing this G Gundam the rest of the way and getting his diorama done. because I'm so tired of looking at it, and it's just sitting there looking at me, staring at me like, when are you gonna finish me? I don't like that. I'm not a fan. No thanks. No thanks. I want you done, and I want you to be complete and on my shelf and looking good. If there is anything that you really want to see from my channel, any of these kits that you're really excited to see me get into, please let me know. I'm so flattered every time that I have someone from the community or somebody from the viewership actually ask me questions or tell me that they're excited to see me build something or comment that they're impressed with something that I've done, because I still think that I'm basically just a goober. Like it just being stupid on camera. And then I'm a dork, so I like to make model kits of giant robots from animes. I'm like a 36-year-old weeaboo. Damn it. In closing, please, I hope everyone out there has a safe and happy holiday, no matter what you do or do not celebrate. I hope that you guys and gals who do celebrate got huge hauls of Gunpla for Christmas. And I will see you all in 2020, finishing up the G Gundam and introducing a special announcement. Don't miss out. I'm Justin, your Ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.